Hey, how's it going, YouTube? My name is John, and I am an owner of a 97 Chevy Suburban. Bought this thing yesterday. Pretty decent shape for $1,000, you get what you pay for. And with that, I understand that there's going to be a couple issues I might run into down the road with this thing, but I am well prepared and all that good stuff. Anywho, the issue I'm running into today is my fucking key won't rotate. Understanding that, I understand that the lock cylinder is bad. So I went ahead, bought a new one from AutoZone. You can probably get it for cheaper, but this one cost me 20 bucks. No biggie. And I understand the functions of this thing. So the common problem that people are running into is this little pin right here. This pin right here is supposed to be flush up against the cylinder once the key is inserted, right? Observe when I pull it out. It sticks out. So with the key inserted, it goes back in. So that's fine and dandy. Now I know what the problem is. Likely, this pin is stuck in the up position with my key inserted. It explains why it's not rotating. So after doing some research, I found common solutions that people are having where you can take an air chisel and vibrate that thing to bring it down, right? I don't have an air chisel. My buddy across the street is gone on leave with his wife, and he's the mechanic. The other solution that I was recommended was using WD-40 or silicone lubricant to get in there and get into the keyhole, spray it, and then take a screwdriver and tapping at the end of the key, right? So I'm about to do that right now and see if it works. But if it doesn't, if you have any other ideas, please let me know in the comments so I can get this thing fucking running again, because currently it's in my garage and it's not moving. So here we go. I already sprayed the lubricant in, so let's give it a whirl. Nothing yet. Try this one more time. I'm doing this while moving my steering wheel to the left to release tension. That was also a recommendation while doing this. I'm not sure if it really matters though, as I'm still running into the same issue. So, with all that being said and done, please leave a comment in the section below. Give me your best recommendations. I am one without patience, and I understand that I need it, so have a good one.